my god. Can you believe it? This is so beautiful, it's indescribable. Just look at this beauty, the first and the only one. We live in. Subscribe. Yes, less than 4 centimeters. Alert on, highest alert on. Just look at my path. See, there's Slivnica where the witches live. Okay. Oh my god, what a nice trip. I came 10 times this year. Oh my god, what a nice trip. I came 10 times this year and this is the only one when I actually made it, because it will be really warm, and because it will be warm this will all disappear in just 2 days. You see, this lake is kilometers upon kilometers. What is this?